You have a 2-story house with technically 3 bedrooms and then 2 bigger bedrooms that you can convert into guest bedrooms if you wanted to. So that's like 5 bedrooms. And I haven't seen a house like that with a carport this big. Like you can fit 6 vehicles comfortably and then 2 more out in front. It has a lot of space. Like it's just the perfect amount of, it's perfect for a starting family with at least like 3 kids. So if this is the kind of home you've been looking for and this one is in Parañaque, make sure you check out the full house tour because this is brand new and it's a really nice opportunity. We've got a brand new house on offer sale here in Parañaque. Now, clearly you can see the facade and it is in a very interesting shape, very asymmetric. So you have an automated gate over here, which we can open using the remote. Let me just get out of the way. And then you have a very spacious carport. You can fit 6 vehicles here comfortably, although if I'm being honest, because of the shape of this carport, you can probably add 1 more here and a smaller vehicle in the middle. So probably around 8 vehicles. But again, smaller vehicles out there in front. But the 6 cars that you're gonna park here are gonna be covered thanks to this. And by the way, beautiful and simple ceiling design. Puro down lights, and then you have some wooden accents over here. And then you have access to both sides of the house. On the left here, you can see the service area, but we'll go there later. And then over here on the right side, you have a pathway leading to your main entrance. Now this entire pathway, at least coming from the carport all the way up to past the main entrance, is covered. Sobrang linis lang ng glass, but it's covered. And then you have a pathway leading to the back of the house, but it's currently wet because it just drizzled earlier. All right, let's go in. You have a solid wooden main door. And then once you enter, so you have open space planning. First thing you will see, of course, is your main stairs over here with some storage underneath. And then a door right under that, which will lead you to your guest accessible powder room with, it's a full toilet and bath with your toilet, your sink, and then your shower space. It's fully tiled, the walls are fully tiled, as well as the flooring, which has this printed machuca effect. Then you can see a little bit of the shape of the stairs underneath. Now this is your living area. I love how you can tell because of the cove lighting. So alam mong sinadyang ito talaga yung living area niya. You can also see your cars parked over by the carport over there. And then this area acts as your receiving area, of course, even if everything is open. And then your accent wall, as well as your chandelier, lets you know that this is the converging area, like where people are supposed to meet and welcome people in. And then over here, you have your kitchen and your dining. Under this chandelier, of course, is where your dining table is gonna go. You can probably fit a 6-seater comfortably here, but you can go a little bit bigger because you do have a lot of space anyhow. And then over here, you have your kitchen. Again, even if it's open, you can tell that it's the kitchen apart from the counter. It's the flooring, the choice to use different tiles for the flooring. Lets you know that this is the kitchen. So you have your provision for your refrigerator. You have your sink over here with a tawag dito? Chopping board. And then your built-in induction stove right here. I love how it's in matte black. Actually, it's a very, very dark gray, but let's just say it's matte black. And then you have parang almost galaxy granite for the surface. It's not galaxy, wala siya no sparkle, but it is, I don't know, hindi yata kita sa video, I don't know kung kita, but it does have a bit of shimmer. And then from the dining, you have a very clean sliding glass door over here. Ooh, very smooth. That will lead you to your backyard as well as your outdoor patio. So you can have some seating here. Lalo na pag, halatang kakatanim pa lang eh, no? Pero pagka tumubo na to, ang ganda dito. So hanging out here will be really, really nice and peaceful. And you don't really see your neighbors, you just see all of this lush greenery. Ang ganda. And then back out here will lead you to the service area, which we are going to check out in a little. Actually, you know what? We can check it out now. Sorry, I'm just gonna step over this one. So over here, you already have your built-in counter with a sink, and then nandun yung tank nyo, as well as access to some storage and a, excuse me, and your access to a staff, or your staff quarters. So basically service area to and staff area. All right, let's go back in. And that is essentially it for the ground floor. But before we head up the second floor, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in Parañaque, make sure you let us know by sending us a query through our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. The stairs are really wide too. Okay, so little trivia, the minimum standard width of stairs is 0.90 meters, so that's less than a meter. This is definitely beyond that. So I love that two people can walk at the same time comfortably, right? Even John is not having difficulty going up the stairs despite carrying a camera. So love the stairs. Okay, so on the second floor, you have one hallway that has access to 3 doors. So let's go through this one first. Ooh. Okay, so here we have bedroom number 1, or room number 1. Okay, so you have a barn door over here that leads to, I'm going to assume this is the walk-in closet, but it's bare. I love that. That means you have full creative freedom to choose the furniture that you want to use. Now you do have your main light over here, as well as some track lights that you can position to point towards whatever furniture that you want to highlight. So at least meron na yan. And then over here, you have your ensuite, toilet and bath. Oh, that is a lovely counter. Solid wooden counter with 2 sinks, your enclosed shower space, a jacuzzi, and then your toilet over there. These tiles, okay. So these are beveled tiles. At first, akala ko glass siya na may parang marble pattern underneath, pero it's not. Ang ganda tignan. And then, back out here, the room itself. So that area is going to be dedicated for your office, for sure. And then this is the bed area. You have an accent wall over here, again with your track lights for you know, putting a spotlight on something that you may want to hang over here. Lots of outlets everywhere, so it's easy to configure this room any way you want. Take note, just because this is the accent wall doesn't mean that you have to put your bed frame here. You can put it over there, you can put it over there, or even over there. It's up to you. Some layouts are more obvious than others, but then again, with a room like this, na ang daming outlets, ikaw bahala. No one's gonna judge you, it's your room. And then you have, oh, it's tinted. Kita ba? Binigay ba? Okay, so you have a tinted sliding glass door over here that will lead you to a massive balcony at the front of your property. So this is the glass that you saw from the facade. This one is over your carport. You have a lot of space here. You have an outdoor outlet, lots of drains, so hindi ito babahain. And then, meron pa dito sa gilid. So, dito medyo mas tago. The possibilities for this area, dami mo pwedeng ilagay na seating. But again, this is exclusive access from what I will assume is the primary bedroom. Speaking of bedroom, the flooring here is composed of wooden planks. I believe these are engineered wooden planks. And then it's the same material out there in the hallway, but there is a termination per room. And then solid wooden steps for the stairs. Okay, so your hallway full of the fluted panels. On this side, you have bedroom number 2. I love that. Okay, so it's a rectangular room with an accent area over here with some drop lights. Obviously, ito, wala kang choice. Talagang dito yung kama, and then your side tables are gonna go right under these lights. So it was designed to have a single bed. That's where your desk can go. You can have some stuff over here as well. Beautiful views too, by the way. Except for greenery lang. And then you have an ensuite, toilet and bath, with your sink, your toilet, and then your partially enclosed shower space. You still have the Machuca printed tiles over here for the shower space, which continue all the way across the floor. And then right next to this one, we have bedroom number 3. Oh, it's almost a mirror version of bedroom number 2, except it's a little shorter relatively because of the way it's configured. And then the ensuite is here. It's a mirror version. So you have your sink, your toilet, and then your partially enclosed shower space. Love the layout, very practical. Walang wasted space. Right, and that is it for the second floor. Let's now head up the third. And look at this. Like, the hallway is technically, I mean, it's just a hallway, right? But it doesn't feel clamped or claustrophobic or dark kasi glass yung ginamit. So yung natural light from the windows, it floods the entire area, and visually walang nakaharang. All right, top floor. Love the ceiling. So it's hipped, if I'm not mistaken, is what it's called. But basically, yeah, it slopes down on either side, and then the middle portion being the highest, they created cove lighting as well as pin lights to accentuate the shape of the roof. So your ceiling follows your roof line. And then from here, again, you have 3 doors, but this area is very open, perfect as a family area, or maybe a study area that's not in a room, or maybe an office. And then here, again, that ceiling design continues, so it feels like a seamless transition from the open area to this particular room. Except this is just one massive open space. So this is a multi-purpose room. You can turn it into a family room, a theater, although since the flooring is concrete with a bit of terrazzo and some outlets on the floor, I would say this is perfect as it's a family room, more of like a playroom, even a gym, or a library. Lagyan nila ng rugs. So on the other end, it's pretty much the same type of room. Okay, yeah. So because it's a little echoey, right? Kasi empty, wala pang laman eh. But if you wanted to turn one of these rooms into a theater, just add some rugs, add some fabric panels, and you're good. And then the other room, family room, playroom, what have you. And then for convenience, you have access to a common toilet and bath right here with your sink, your toilet, and then your partially enclosed shower space. By the way, all of the mirrors so far that we've seen, very nice, pill-shaped mirror, but there's actually storage in the back. So that's nice, just to keep the products away and make it look neat. Now that being said, even if these are like family areas or family rooms or what have you, you could still turn them into guest rooms if you needed it. But, I mean, you already have 3 bedrooms. Kung yun lang yung kailangan nyo, edi why change it, diba? Pero you can just maintain these as multi-purpose rooms. But if you need another guest bedroom, it's there. Okay, now it's time for a recap. But before we do so, make sure you check out these really, really nice B-rolls. Hello guys, in case you've forgotten, we have a YouTube membership channel. There are 3 tiers to it. You have Presello Fan, baliktad. You have Presello, you have Presello Fan, Presello Team, and Presello Fam. The highest tier grants you access to exclusive videos, exclusive shoutouts, as well as being able to hang out with us online. Yep, you actually get to hang out with the whole Presello team. And speaking of shoutouts, thank you to Marman, for joining the Presello Fan. So if you guys are interested, make sure you check out the Presello membership channel. Okay, so you have 576 square meters of floor area and 327 square meters of lot area. 5 bedrooms, 2 of which you can convert into any room that you want, like a family room, theater room, etc. 5 toilet baths, 1 here on the ground floor. And then you do have staff quarters outside, so they have a separate access. And then you have a 6-vehicle carport out in front. Again, because of how generous the space is, you can fit 2 smaller vehicles out in front as well. And of course, you do have guest parking right at the front of your gate, which by the way is automated. So if you or anyone you know is interested in a place like this, make sure you send this video to them. But if you want to see it for yourself, and again, this is in Parañaque, make sure you send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you want to see more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed, okay?